Hello my friends. Well, today I thought I would do kind of an unboxing, even though it's kind of already open. But what I ordered from Kotula's on the internet was a 5-inch hobby magnifying light and glass. I'm getting a little old with my sight for scrolling, so I thought I would buy one of these, and I paid just a little over $30 for this particular light. So let's drag it out and see what I got. Well, I like it. It has adjustability. It has two friction knobs here where you can change the position of the magnifying glass. It's got a light on it. It can help me see things up close. And I'll be able to put it onto my scroll saw and it won't interfere. It has a swivel base and it has a lot of articulating movements. So yeah, for $31.10, had free shipping too. So I think we've got something here that a blind old man can use. Well, this is one for the shop, because I need all the help I can get, but looks like it's made out of really good quality stuff. It like I said, it can be moved in a lot of different directions. Well, there's how I'm going to use it, on that little scroll saw like that. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe, leave a comment, but have a great evening. Bye now.